I'm going to show you how to make crispy chili oil.
This homemade crispy chili oil recipe is easy to make. It's the perfect condiment for spooning over anything from vegetables to eggs, meats and more. The textures and flavors really make this a must-have in the pantry. Let's get into it.
We've got some szechuan peppers here that we're just going to toast off first.
So into the pan, just on a low heat. I'm just going to toast them until they're fragrant.
Okay, so it's been about 3 minutes now. We're going to take them off the heat. Just let them cool down. So while we let those szechuan peppers cool down, we're just going to get our shallots, ginger and garlic prepared for the oil. So we're just going to cut the ends off. So now the shallots are done, I'm just going to transfer them into a bowl. We're just going to use the back of a teaspoon to peel this ginger. Nice little trick.
Okay, now that's peeled, you want to finely slice your ginger.
Now for the garlic. Okay, we're going to fry these off in a medium heat now. We're going to pour in our avocado oil. Any neutral oil is good. If you don't have avocado oil, you could use grapeseed oil. Okay, we've got that on a medium to low heat. We're going to go in with our garlic, shallots, and ginger. So we're going to have them cook down for about 15 minutes. We want them to turn crispy and golden, and then once we've done that, we're just going to transfer them onto a paper towel. So whilst they're sizzling away, we're just going to grind those peppercorns down now. They've cooled down into a mortar and pestle. Here we go. Okay, so in a separate bowl, we're going to start placing our chilies and our aromatics in. Chili goes in first. Crushed and toasted szechuan peppers. We've got 3 bay leaves, cinnamon stick, 2 star anise, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of sugar. And lastly, this is optional, I like to add in some smoked paprika. I just love the smokiness that this brings to this chili oil.
Now you can see the crispy bits are nice and brown. We're going to strain the oil into a bowl. Set the ginger, garlic and shallots onto a paper towel.
Okay, so we're going to return that oil back into the saucepan. So we're going to heat that oil up to about 190 degrees Celsius, and then we'll transfer that oil and pour it all over our spices and our aromatics. So I'm just going to combine all those flavors together. Ready for that oil. So now that oil's heated back up, we're just going to pour that carefully over our spices. So now that that's cooled down a little bit, we're just going to season it with some soy sauce and some sesame oil. We're just going to mix that all together. So now we're just going to remove the bay leaf, the cinnamon stick and the star anise now that that's cooled down. Okay, that oil's completely cooled down now. We're going to add in our crunchy bits. And then we want to stir that around, give it a good mix. Bring all those flavors together.
Now it's time to transfer into a nice clean jar. This can be stored into the cupboard for up to 2 months.
So there we have it, crispy chili oil. As I said before, this is fantastic as a condiment on, soups or chicken or anything like that.
But if you're wanting to see how I use this in one of my sandwiches, I'll leave a link in the description for you to have a look. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe if you're not. I'll see you on the next video.